Hello guys, and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use Groovefunnels to build your pages, funnels and online business. In this lecture we are going to briefly discuss about using the membership function that Groovefunnels has, because it's a very powerful feature that an online business can use. Okay, creating membership sites for different types of audiences, communities and so on. And it can be a very good online business to run a membership site. So after you log in the actual dashboard, in the quick links section, you have the manage memberships option. Click on that one and the option will load the dashboard. Okay, in the left side menu you will see you don't have a lot of features like for other of the options that Groovefunnels has, but these are the ones that you need to run a membership platform inside Groovefunnels. So if we are going to click on the contents option from the menu, we are going to see another pop-up showing up which says memberships, files, portals. Obviously in the files section you are going to upload your files, the ones that you want to give to your members. In the portal section you can create portals. We won't go into a lot of details with this one. What is more important for you is the membership section. Okay, we don't have any membership created at the moment and we want to show you how you can create a membership. You just go click on the new membership section. We give it a name, test, create membership, and now the page has been loaded. Okay, we have to connect it to a sales page that we have probably created with Groovefunnels. Testing.com. One second, ps testing.com. Then we press save and next. It is a 7-step process, as you can see here, to create a membership. For the membership you can have an instructor. If you don't have an instructor, you can create a new one, but it's not mandatory. Then you can customize like your membership, okay, your membership page with a logo image, a featured image, and if you want to show progress bar for your members. Then we can click on save and next. Basically here we are building the membership, and I'm just going to click on this button so you can see briefly how this looks like, but we won't go into a lot of details. Okay, this is the membership page. Here in the right top corner it greets the visitor, the member. Here we have the progress bar in the left top corner, the membership outline. We have the outline here in the left side menu. We can add different elements, as you can see, and that's how we actually build the membership. I'm just going to press the save button so you can go back to the process, then click exit. Okay, now I have to go again and select edit and save and next, save and next, save and next. Okay, the fourth step from creating the membership, we can enable comments or comment moderation, auto approve. We have some options here, as you can see. The access level, we have one level, but we can create new levels, okay, of membership. Test level. Click on the save button. Okay, we have a new level, access settings and instant settings. Okay, we can manage the settings from here. Then we click on press save and next. If we want to send a welcome message, don't send or send, we can just set up to send the default. And then the last step, finishing the membership. Okay, we click back to memberships and we can see that the membership let's say pack has been created. Okay, then in the left side menu, if you'll have a look, you'll see that we have analytics, feedback, the content, homepage and so on. Thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.